Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker offers IPX7 water resistance and gives you battery life for up to 12 hours on a single charge, which can be charged afterwards with USB Type-C cable. Let's get started with the top features of this speaker. Being a Bluetooth speaker means that this one works with both Android and iOS smartphones. So what you just need to do is you need to turn this on and let the pairing begin, and you head over to the Bluetooth phone settings, and then you'll find the speaker, pair it along, and then you can get started with the music listening experience. In terms of features now, this offers battery life up to 12 hours, and once you run out of battery, you have USB Type-C port on the speaker, which is used for charging, and you also get the Type-C cable bundled inside the box, so you can use this for quick assistance and you don't really have to keep running around for a cable every now and then. Although it does help that these days smartphones also come with USB Type-C support, so in case you're not carrying this cable, you can also charge it with your regular smartphone cable as well. In terms of other features, it offers battery life up to 12 hours, and then you have very important aspect about the speaker is that the ruggedity nature is provided through the IPX7 water resistance. This means the speaker is not only something which can be used indoors, but you can also carry it outdoors for your hiking trips. And let's say if it starts raining and there's some water splashing on the speaker, don't worry, it's not really going to damage anything. And in fact, you can also carry it for your pool parties. So it's probably a doubly affair, and I think this doubles up as the speaker for all kind of conditions, no matter where you are. Apart from that, you also have these control buttons on the speaker. You have the power button, then you have the Bluetooth button. So once you press the Bluetooth button for a bit more than few seconds, you'll probably hear a sound which means that the speaker is ready for pairing, and you'll find the speaker visible on your phone setting. You can just tap on that and start working it. Then you have these drivers built inside the speaker that amps up the music quality and bass of it. But what we really like about the speaker is that JBL is offering you a chance to create a stereo sound experience with the Flip 5, which is why you have something called Party Boost. Now there's a button over here with two rings, which is right next to the volume low button. So when you press it and you have two of these Flip 5 speakers, what you can do is you can create a stereo sound experience which enhances the overall sound quality and brings a different kind of experience to whatever sound or music you're listening to. So these are in terms of the features, and then we've already talked about the Type-C port. The weight and dimensions of the speaker is not very heavy. You can easily carry them. You have this handy strap also. What you can do is you can just strap it along to your bag or let's say a bike, and you can keep moving along without having to worry about any damages to the speaker. So with features like IPX7 water resistance, this speaker becomes an all-round speaker for you no matter where you are, depending on indoors or outdoors. And even if it starts raining, you can actually not worry about the speaker or try to cover it to save it. You don't really need to do all those things. It offers battery life up to 12 hours, and once you run out of that, you have this USB Type-C cable which can be used to charge with the Type-C port on the speaker. Then you have a slew of other controls, and the built-in microphone means that you can also do hands-free calling, especially while you're driving or probably when you're not nearby the phone. So that comes in handy in those aspects as well. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.